Ever find yourself watching someone do something and instantly think, why don't they just do it this way?
All the time. It's like the solution is obvious, at least to me, but turns out that might be the problem.
Right? According to Jungbub, that thought is more about us than them.
Exactly. It's not about their lack of intelligence, it's about our assumption that they should see things our way.
And that assumption comes from seeing only one side of a person. Maybe they're good at one thing, so we expect them to be good at everything.
But each of us comes with different energy, talents, and roles in life. Grand nature didn't cookie cut us.
Which means if I see someone's flaw, that doesn't make me better. It just means I'm better at seeing that particular thing.
And the key point, spotting flaws doesn't mean you've mastered the art of guiding someone past them.
Yep. If you get frustrated watching others, it's a signal. You're lacking the ability to lead that situation.
That's a powerful flip. The frustration isn't theirs, it's ours. They're living their life, you're the one steaming.
So when you think, why don't they? It's time to ask, why can't I help them get there?
Or even better, what can I learn from this? That's what Jungbub calls studying your own.
And when you really get that, you stop blaming. You just observe and learn.
Because blaming is a trap. One complaint, and boom, you drop one level in life.
And it's a spiral. Less self-reflection leads to more blame, more hardship, more downfall.
Like, remember those times when everything was going right? Making money, thriving, you didn't have time to nitpick others.
Yeah, you're too busy smiling and building. But when things slow down, suddenly everyone else's mistakes look huge.
And that's where meddling starts. Less work, more judgment. It's like a reverse productivity.
And worse, it's against the law of grand nature. We were never given the right to correct others.
We were given the right to study ourselves, grow, and support, not to scold.
So instead of rebuking, shift to aspiration. Think, this is my study to learn how to guide.
That mindset alone changes everything. Less stress, more progress.
And maybe that's how real wisdom works, not by changing others, but by changing how we show up for them.